Years ago, my family and I survived Hurricane Andrew. It was a devastating Category 5 hurricane that completely wiped us out down in South Florida. I saw homes, businesses, whole towns were destroyed. But despite the chaos brought on by that storm, when it was over, I also saw our community grow stronger. That's because there are no strangers in the aftermath of a hurricane. There's no political parties, no agendas, none of the things that can often divide us. It's all about survival, coming together as one, because in the end, that's all that matters. To everyone who's able to lend a hand, whatever you can donate, no matter how small, a couple of bucks, whatever you can give, will all make a difference. For those of you out there who are going through it, I know many of you out there are, you gotta remember that you gotta hold on to it. Know that things will get better. And as someone who's been there, believe me when I tell you, you're gonna come out stronger than ever.
If you smell what the rock is cooking.